Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's that time of the day of the month again when it's time to share with you guys the top apps for the month of August for the iPhone. So let's get started. So the first app we have is Canva. So if you guys don't know what Canva is just an awesome platform to design Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, whatever you want to design, you pretty much can design it all right on Canva. And the app on Canva is just an amazing way to do all those designs free as well and quickly as well and efficiently. So you could do whatever designs you want. You could do Instagram story designs as well. You could do photo collages, social media, pretty much anything you want to create your own wallpapers. And it's just really simple and easy to use as well. So you could quickly just click on anything. So click on your stories right here, and then it will automatically create it. And then you could quickly just do whatever edits you want right within the app and quickly export it as well. So yeah, this app is just really great if you're into designing a lot of stuff or making YouTube thumbnails as well. I actually use the app a lot whenever it comes to making YouTube thumbnails. And I've used this app a lot, and it's just a really great platform to create and design whatever you're looking for. Next, we have a Jumbo. So it's been a while, guys, since I came back with this app. I probably did a video about this 2 or 3 years ago about this app when it came out the very first week. And Jumbo is a fantastic app if you're into privacy and want to protect all that data as well on your iPhone. This app does that all. So here you can see, of course, it has the green check mark. That means my data right now is currently, okay and safe, hopefully. And then there's 4 sections here. So the first section, of course, allows you to quickly check your data protection. And then here you can see quickly if your Wi-Fi is secure, no new leaks and everything. Online tracking. So if you want to set up online tracking, you can from different third-party platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Google, Amazon as well. So you can do it all from here to quickly stop all that tracking as well. And then of course your online reputation pretty much here. So if you're applying for a job or something, you could quickly just come here, access it here, and delete your old tweets, clean up your Instagram post, Facebook post, so that when they check, they won't find anything that might ruin those chances of yours. And then the family protection, of course, if you're into multiple devices as well with your family. So yeah, it's just a really fantastic app. If you're looking into protecting your data, then this app could be very useful to you. Next, we have LD or lens distortion. So lens distortion is one of my favorite new apps I've been using now to edit a lot of my Instagram posts that I've been uploading recently. What I like about it is that you get create flares, but what I use it mostly is for the typography section of it. So here you quickly just, there we go. So here you could edit whatever typography you want and everything. And yeah, there's just a lot of things that you could do within the app to edit and make it really stand out your photos as well. Next, we have Preset Box. So Preset Box is a pretty much a Lightroom preset app here that you can use. So you could quickly just go and download some cool presets here. If you have Lightroom installed on your iPhone, it'll make it much more easier, of course. You quickly just do whatever you want and download some great presets to edit your photos. And I highly recommend it if you do a lot of edits on Lightroom and you need to quickly or you're looking for a certain category for the type of mood in your photos, then Preset Box might be the app for you. And there's a ton of presets that you can choose from as well right here, which makes it really cool and stand out really nicely as well. Next, we have timery. So many of you guys know I've been starting to time track myself a lot, and this app has been very useful in time tracking. Of course, it makes it super simple, easy to use. There's a lot of stuff they can do within the app, but of course I keep it simple and just use it for time tracking. I don't really go into the details of everything here. And then there's a ton of things they can do here to track your time as well, and everything. And it just makes it really easy to create timers and track whatever you need to be tracking at that time of day. Next, we have Sofa. So recently I did a video about this app a while back when it recently got a new update, and Sofa makes it a great way to track whatever you want to track. So if you want to track books you read, podcasts, music, movies, games, you can do it all within the app here. So you pretty much create a section in Sofa. And then so like for example here, TV shows, You quickly add whatever TV show you've been watching, add it to that. Shows if you already watched it. What I also like about this application is that you could add sticky notes to it as well. So you could quickly just add, if you need to add a note about a podcast episode or something, you could quickly do that right within the app right here. And it just makes it really useful to track whatever you need to be tracking or save stuff as well. Mostly I've been using it to save a lot of stuff. Next, we have bookmarks. So bookmarks, of course, just like it's another third-party app that allows you to save bookmarks from the web or whatever area you've been, or whatever you want to save from another third-party app. So like a tweet or something, you could do that as well. So like I said, I've been using this app mostly to save interesting articles and stories that I find interesting that I want to read later. And so yeah, I could quickly just access it right here, and then just tap it, and then it opens up the web right there, and I could quickly just start reading whatever I want to start reading and what I have saved in bookmarks. Next, we have Solstice. So Solstice is such an awesome app that allows you to pretty much track the sun, and so it will show you how much you have until sunrise, sunset as well. Here it shows you, of course, the days of how shorting the daylight is going by the next few days. So as you can see, summer's pretty much ending now, which sucks. So you can see that the light hours is going down, which is, you know, just disappointing. But yeah, you get to see all that time tracking in a really beautiful way as well, and it's just really nice as well. I like the design, the simplicity, and just the data that you can see, of course, of the light hours throughout the week. Next, we have journal. So if you're into journaling, journal makes it really easy to journal whatever you want. Super simple. You don't have to write a lot of details or anything. If you only want to write one sentence, you can only write one sentence. It'll ask you pretty much quick questions of how you're feeling, how your day was, top 3 stuff that you could do, and it just makes it really nice and simple just to add whatever you want to journal about today. So it will show you a quote, of course. It will show you next how you're feeling, your mood, and everything, and then it will give you just some questions that you can write down quickly, and then that's it. You're done. You journaled for the day, and you can move on to the next day and keep journaling as well. And next and not least, we have an awesome app called Discover Mars. So Discover Mars, if you're into space and NASA and all that stuff, like I am, if you're into that stuff, then you're going to love this app. It'll show you, of course, some of the, rovers on Mars here. So as you can see here, you could click on Curiosity, and then here it will show you images of Curiosity of what it took already. It will show you the history about it and everything, if it's still in contact, the day it was launched, all the history about the robot right there. And then if you go here, it shows you some much more detailed information about the planets as well. So if you see Earth, Mars, Earth, Moon right there, it can show you so much more detail about the planet Mars as well, which just makes it really cool if you're into this stuff and tracking this stuff as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this app. And that's pretty much it for the list of the top iPhone apps for the month of August. If you guys did enjoy this video, it will mean the world to me if you will hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.